Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And good evening to all of you again. And thanking you for watching my videos and also my previous videos. And if you benefited, please like, share, and subscribe my video. And I am making all this video for educational purpose. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, they can also join my technical analysis course. And today I am going to making another video on silver. This is a commodity, and this is the chart for the commodity silver MCX. You all see this is the bull market still in this silver, and the long term trend line is intact in at this moment. From 2008 it's 15,000 to 70,000 levels. It's within 2 to 3 years it's reached at this at a 70,000 marks, and after that a correction and a sideways movement from 2013 to 2020 half, you can say. After that it's a multi-year breakout from these 50,000 levels, which I told to all of you in my previous video, in my silver video. And after that breakout, again 50,000 to 75,000 marks is reached. And after that, a small correction is happening. Plus the 55 to 57 to 60,000 levels is corrected. And now again 67,000, 70,000 marks is reached in previous week, and it sold the 67,500 marks. You all see in the silver chart, this is the rounding formation type of rounding bottom formation is in this silver chart. You will see that also a W formation type of there. And in this area, you will see the 30 DMA support is taking, and now above a 30 DMA and weekly 30 DMA support taken, and you will see there is a double bottom formation is also there at a 50, 60, at this 59,000 levels, and a W formation created, and you will see again this chart is looking good for me at this moment. And indicator also showing the silver in the bullish territory at this moment. $65,400 to 65,300 levels is a closing basis, is a very good support level. If it break and close below that level, then I can think about that stock, that a commodity. Then we go for a think to close our or stop our trade. Otherwise, it's looking good. 65,300 to 65,400 levels is a very good base for the closing basis for the support is the for the silver chart. And this can again move 75,000 to 80 levels again. If weekly crossover happen in MACD, then it will be good again. So we have to some wait and watch. Daily is rising, but there is a flat in this MACD line is a flat. So we have to some wait for a confirmation for another bullishness. This is the level we have to watch. If it close above 70,000 levels, then the next bullishness may come in the silver chart. So 65,000, 65 400 to 65 300 levels to look for a support levels, and above 70 levels for a good buying may come on a closing basis. If 70,000 levels close, above 70,000 level close silver, then the next bullishness may come in this silver chart. So we have to watch. And in my previous video, I told to all of you that 1 lakh may silver again go in coming month. And still I am hopeful for that with the chart. If this breakout sustain above these 71, 72 levels, then that can be possible. But above 72, 73, 4 levels, it's have to close. Then 1 lakh is possible for the silver. So we have to watch this silver chart. Silver daily and weekly is above 50, and this is the area we have to watch. This is the, if it's hold the 50 marks, then it will be very good for the silver. We have to watch for this levels. So 65,400 to 65,300 levels on a closing basis to watch at this moment. And where from this supply is from come, silver is now trading above that levels in 2 weeks. Is the very good sign again. So above 70 levels, if silver goes, then it will be again a good for the silver. But we have to watch for the confirmation first. Above 70,000 levels, it will be very good, and 65,400 to 65,300 levels for a good base at this moment. If it breaks, then may come for again a bearishness. So we have to watch at this moment. Above 70,000 levels is a very good buying opportunity for the silver. And today I'm going to make this video for educational purpose. If anyone wants to trade, please analysis with yourself with a chart, or chart first, or you can consult with your financial advisor before taking any position. I'm not giving any buying or selling recommendation. And please, if you like and benefited, please like and share and subscribe my channel. And if you, another thing, if you wants to learn from me the technical analysis, you can join my technical analysis course. If any query from your side, please write down in comment box, then I can give you all the answer of your query. And thanking you for watching my videos. Thanking you.